radios will be automatically activated to warn of the impending hazards. Tests of these radios and a warning alarm system will be conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there's a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will only be activated for warnings and selected watches affecting the listening area.
The 11 a.m. observation in Baltimore.